everybody. Today we were at the farm, so I wanted to show you guys a couple of the signs that we learned while we were there. So here we go. We have about 5 or 6 new signs to learn. So the first one is farm. It's a 5-hand and it starts underneath your chin and scoots over to the same side that the hand is on. We saw some cows, and on the farm there's a lot of horses. So you put your pointer and your middle finger together and then your thumb will attach almost like an ear. That's horse. That's a fun one. It was very sunny and beautiful today, so we did a lot of signs for sun. So we signed sun almost like a ball of fire in the sky that shines down on you. Sun. And then there was some sheep there that we got to feed. So sheep, you get your little scissors, and then what you do is you stick your other arm out and then you shear your sheep for their wool. Easy. And we fed those sheep corn. So corn on the cob is like you're holding a corn on the cob and you just eat it just like so. Very easy. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you guys was apples, because I bought a beautiful bag of apples at the farm. My favorite. So apples is your little knuckle here and it goes right into your chin. Your cheek. And that's apple. Very good. So there's a couple of signs for us. Hopefully you can use those throughout your day today. Even if you're not on a farm, there's lots of places to use some of those signs like sun and apple and corn. It's a great season for it. So until next time, see you later.